We have a very young, hungry squad that is willing to compete. We have very good local players, in the league coming into the national team, which is, good to see this combination of young and experienced players. And now I believe going forward, it's going to be a good, really, foundation for this country in terms of football.
Most important thing is if you play all the time outside, you have to adapt always to different countries, different fields, different situations, different stadiums. Everything is different, and to adapt to it is very difficult for a player. So therefore, why in this situation it was the best choice for us is because the players know it there. The people in Malawi are positive against us.